What if you could buy a home for less than a used car? Not a shack, not a temporary shelter, but a fully functional living space with a kitchen, bedroom, bathroom, and solar panels. And what if the person behind this idea has already turned an entire industry upside down once before? The global real estate market has been moving in one direction for years: prices up, affordability down. For millions of young people and middle-income families, owning a home has become an unreachable goal. Rent eats up your budget, a mortgage weighs on you for decades, and construction means endless contractors, delays, and unexpected costs. That's exactly when an idea steps onto the scene that sounds almost unbelievable. Tesla, the company that transformed the automotive market, might do the same thing with housing. We're talking about a compact modular home from Tesla. According to available reports, the starting price is around $7,999. The estimated market release is no later than 2027. And this isn't just a concept on paper. Behind this project is a real partnership, real technology, and a man who personally tested a home like this by living in it for about 3 months. To understand why this idea even came about, you just have to look at the housing market. Rent in major American cities has long gone beyond the bounds of reason. Buying land, getting permits, going through project approvals, construction, all of it together makes home ownership a privilege, not a norm. Elon Musk, it seems, has decided to go after exactly that problem. If Tesla managed to make electric vehicles a mass-market product, why can't the same be done with housing? The logic here is the same as with cars: standardized production, robotic assembly lines, precision engineering, mass output, and as a result, the price drops while quality goes up. A home stops being a construction project and becomes a product. You order it the same way you order an appliance. Within a week or two, it gets delivered. It's installed in a matter of hours, and you move in. Production is planned to be set up at Tesla's factory in Fremont, where advanced robotic assembly lines are already in operation. Each module will be fully assembled at the factory: load-bearing walls, kitchen, living space, bathroom, electrical, plumbing, ventilation, all of it built in before shipping. The connection systems work on a plug-and-play basis. Set it in place, connect a few fittings, and you're done. The materials weren't chosen randomly either. Instead of standard drywall and fast-wearing finishes, reinforced steel frames, ultra-strong concrete panels, polystyrene insulation, and multi-layer composite materials compressed under enormous pressure. This produces modules roughly 28 feet long and about 13 feet wide, very sturdy, yet light enough to transport. When folded, the home fits within the dimensions of a standard shipping container or a Tesla semi-trailer, making delivery possible even to hard-to-reach areas. The project's partner is Boxable, a company that already has experience in modular construction. According to available reports, it was in a Boxable home that Musk lived for about 3 months in Texas, before officially confirming the partnership. After news of him living in such a home spread publicly, the company received more than 100,000 pre-orders. That speaks volumes about how significant Musk's influence is, and how acute the demand for a solution like this turned out to be. Now, to the main question: what's inside a home with roughly 280 square feet of space? The answer is surprising. The space is laid out in a way that doesn't feel cramped. Ceilings about 9 feet high, nearly full-height windows and doors, all of it fills the space with light and creates the feeling of something significantly larger. Inside, there are 4 functional zones: a living room, kitchen, bedroom, and bathroom. The living room has a sofa bed, a coffee table, and a wall-mounted TV. If needed, the zone easily converts into a home office. The composite wood flooring stays warm in winter and doesn't overheat in summer. The kitchen is compact but fully equipped: an induction cooktop, refrigerator, dishwasher, oven, sink, and spacious cabinets. A fold-down dining table is built right into the kitchen area. Ventilation with air filtration is included. The bedroom features a Murphy bed. It folds into the wall during the day, freeing up space, and unfolds into a full-size double bed at night. The bathroom is modern: a shower, sink, mirror, low-flow toilet, and frosted glass panels. Throughout the home, hidden niches, built-in drawers, wall-mounted shelves. Every inch is used intentionally. One of the key features is modularity. A single unit is designed for 2 to 3 people, but modules can be connected horizontally or stacked in multiple stories, giving you a full-sized family home. That means you don't have to take on the financial burden of a large home right away. You start small and expand as needed. The energy component deserves special mention. For an additional cost, the buyer can add a solar roof and a Powerwall battery, managed through the Tesla app. With that package, the home becomes nearly self-sufficient. Electricity for the air conditioner, cooking, the washing machine, and even charging an electric vehicle, all from its own solar generation. Additional features include clean water tanks, a rainwater collection system with filtration, gray water recycling, and a closed-loop waste management system. Essentially, it's a self-contained ecosystem that doesn't depend on external utility grids. Another aspect is critically important. Tesla wants to remove the barriers that have traditionally made buying a home so painful. No months-long approval processes, no construction contractors, no surprise cost overruns. Musk has even mentioned the possibility of free land use for the first 2 years in select locations, for those who don't have their own plot. Buying a home should be as simple as buying a car. Place an order, receive it, move in. The structural durability hasn't been overlooked either. A steel frame, multi-layer waterproof panels, an engineered roof designed to handle significant snow loads, protection against corrosion and mold. All of this is meant to ensure resilience against serious natural conditions, heavy storms, heavy rain, flooding, and snowfall. That said, the picture wouldn't be complete without an honest conversation about the challenges. Any structure requires maintenance. Walls can crack, seals can wear out, moisture can find a weak spot. If the insulation turns out to be insufficiently effective, a northern winter or a hot southern summer will turn daily life into an ordeal, and electricity bills will cancel out the promised energy efficiency. 28 square feet, wait, 280 square feet is a serious challenge for anyone used to having space. Minimalism here isn't a lifestyle choice, it's a necessity. If you tend to accumulate stuff, the home will start to feel suffocating fast. There are also production side questions. Right now, Tesla has plenty of priorities: competition in the electric vehicle market, development of the Optimus robot, new car models. Housing isn't the top item on the agenda. Manufacturing homes is technologically more complex than manufacturing cars. Before mass production begins, the real price could end up higher than what's been announced. That doesn't mean the project will fail. Tesla knows how to cut costs as it scales. But the road from concept to store shelves is rarely a straight line. There's another angle that gets talked about less often. Musk has never hidden his goal of colonizing Mars. And if a permanent settlement ever appears there, people will need structures that can be assembled in hours, operate autonomously, consume minimal resources, and be manufactured in a factory rather than built by hand on site. Lightweight, compact, transportable modules, that's exactly that description. Maybe living in a prefab home worth a few tens of thousands of dollars isn't just Musk's personal choice in favor of simplicity. It's a quiet experiment with a housing model for another planet. In May 2020, Musk sold nearly all of his real estate and moved into a small home near his workplace. For one of the wealthiest people on the planet, that was an unexpected move. But it was exactly that move that made the idea of compact housing truly loud. If a man with his fortune chooses a small home, that's no longer poverty or eccentricity, that's a statement of values. The Tesla tiny house isn't just cheap housing, it's an attempt to rethink the very concept of a home, what it should give a person, how much it should cost, how it should be built, and where it should stand. Whether it works out, time will tell. But the question has already been asked loudly enough for millions to hear it. What do you think about this idea? Could housing like this change your life? Let us know in the comments. And if you're into topics like technology, innovation, and the future, Subscribe to the channel and hit that like button. It helps us make more content like this.